Hello everyone, my name is Saumya. I welcome you all to Kalam Academy. In this video, I will be discussing the difference between Article 2 and 3. Now, in Article 1, we call India, that is Bharat, as the Union of States, okay, rather than Federation of States. So, India is a union of states and not a federation of states. Now, in Article 2 and 3, the Parliament has been given the power to deal with states and UTs. In Article 2, the Parliament has the power to admit states which are already in existence before by separating its boundary from some other state or by making any modifications in the states which are already present. And the second power is to establish new states which are not in existence previously, which are not a part of India, to establish those states into the Indian territory. So these two powers have been given to Parliament under Article 2. Whereas in Article 3, the Parliament has the power to create new states out of the existing states which are already present before by formation of those states by separating a territory of any state, or by uniting two or more states or part of states, or by uniting any territory to a part of any state, or by increasing the area, decreasing the area, altering the boundaries of those states, or altering the name. So the changes have to be made in the states which are already in existence. So this is the difference between Article 2 and 3. Now we have seen that in Article 2, if there is a territory which is not a part of India and we want to include that in the Indian land, then that will be done under Article 2. For example, Sikkim. Now Sikkim was not a part of India until 1975. But we included it in India in 1975 under Article 2. Whereas in Article 3, if there is a territory which is already a part of India and then we want it to become a new state, then we will do these modifications to the states which are already in existence under Article 3. For example, Telangana. Now Telangana was already existing in India, but we made it a separate state by separating it from Andhra Pradesh in 2014. Okay, there are many such examples. For example, Uttarakhand was created out of UP. Okay, so the states which are already in existence before, we will make some modifications which are these which we just saw to make it a altogether new state. Now there is one more thing. Article 4. It says that the establishment or the admission of new states under Article 2 and 3, which we just saw, will not be treated as the amendment under Article 368. Okay. Now what does this mean? That law made under Article 2 and 3 will be passed by a simple majority only. Okay. Simple majority. By ordinary legislative process. Whereas in Article 368, the amendments are by special majority. So this is the one point that you have to remember. And also, when you have to transfer a part of Indian territory to a foreign territory, that will be treated as an amendment under Article 368. Okay. Now you cannot count this into this point that you are decreasing any area of state. That is true. You are decreasing the area, you are transferring. But when you are transferring that to a foreign territory, when you are ceding a part of Indian territory to a foreign territory, then that will be treated as an amendment under Article 368. Okay. So these are the 2 points that you have to remember. So I hope you got some clarity based on Article 2 and 3. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.